At UberPad, it is our constant effort to not only bring our customers the best brands, deals and discounts, but also help and guide them during the whole process. We get a lot of questions about various topics related to home entertainment technology. But one that comes up more frequently than others is, why should I go for a floor standing speaker? Or are floor standers better than bookshelf speakers? Well, the answer is not as simple as it seems. With speakers available in so many shapes and sizes, there are a lot of options to choose from. Your final choice depends on many factors such as budget, space, your most consumed content, and other preferences and considerations. We are not saying that one is clearly better than the other, just discussing the benefits and value that floor standing speakers may have to offer. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the importance of floor standing speakers and their place in your stereo or home cinema setup. Before we dig in, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dive in. First, let's get a better understanding of floor standing speakers. As the name suggests, they are loudspeakers that sit or stand on the floor. They usually include multiple drivers for the different frequencies and have multiple bass ports. Many of them sit atop plinths, bases, and feet for isolation from the floor. They are also commonly referred to as floor standers or tower speakers. Now, let's look at what they have to offer in terms of audio performance. Sound waves can be broadly divided into three bands of frequency: highs, mids, and lows. Having a floor stander, which is generally a three-way speaker, will give you individual separation of these frequencies and bring immense detail to your sound. This is the reason floor standing speakers are a music listening favorite, commonly preferred because of their adaptability and capacity for high frequencies and output. They are usually preferred by music lovers who favor song vocals and dialogue in middle ranges. Also, they don't need to be placed on a stand or table and are able to carry their own weight. Realistically speaking, due to their size and design, bookshelf speakers can go down to nearly 60 to 80 Hz. However, the real deep low frequency sounds begin under 60 Hz. Having a tower speaker, especially a three-way unit, will give you superb bass performance. Most of the time, you won't even need an external subwoofer for 2-channel audio in smaller rooms. Tower speakers also have a lot of body space, which is very good for acoustic resonance. This enables the speakers to recreate a more natural and fuller sound. Also, because of their larger cabinets, floor standing speakers can hold more and larger speaker drivers, which can range from 6 inches to 10 inches. This delivers a louder output, which can be helpful in larger rooms. A few floor standing speakers might include passive radiators or front or rear ports. These ports and radiators audibly extend the low frequency outputs of floor standers. Some floor standing speakers, like the Triton series from Golden Ear Technology, even include powered subwoofers, which can further boost low frequency performance. Quite often, floor standers are also the flagship devices of their brands, and a lot of effort goes into their creation. Brands also tend to integrate their exclusive and patented technologies in their floor standers. Also, brands and their designers work hard to bring a product that has a beautiful finish and delivers great sound. So when you're buying a floor standing speaker, you know you're getting the top of the line offering from the brand. In a stereo setup intended to enjoy music at its best, floor standing speakers are ideal as they deliver a powerful output and you can get a decent bass response in small rooms without the need for an external subwoofer. In multi-channel surround setups, floor standers are an asset too, as the bulk of the audio information tends to be focused towards the front channels. This means they create a more impactful sound, which is useful when you have a larger space to work with. We hope this has been helpful in selecting the right speaker for your needs. To choose the best speakers for your home theater, please get in touch with UberPad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.